think slowly coming, sir.
Yeah,
Gradually
so
our
good evening,
session
my dear friends from my lovely country, Bharat. And we all have started learning English on this platform. And this is our dedication. That's why we always come on this platform at 9 o'clock. And we all have got improvements because
Yes,
we have
yes.
been practicing our English more than 2 months here.
Yeah.
And from yesterday, we have started something new on this platform, and you enjoyed a lot.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now
Yes, sir.
this is our class, so you have to do homework also. So this is compulsory for us.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And yesterday I
Sure,
told you to
surely.
make 5 sentences by using the structure. I got my wall painted, or I get my wall painted. Then I will get my car washed because now it's look dirty. So I will get my car
Yes.
washed. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah,
got the
That's right.
mobile yesterday. Is it okay, sir?
No, I got a phone you are using as a
No,
verb.
no.
Okay. Someone is
okay.
doing action for you
Okay.
and you pay for it. Okay. So now, Shanta madam, can you speak 5 sentences?
Okay, sir. I got washing my clothes. That
I
is
got
the
my
first one.
clothes. I got my
Yeah,
clothes
yeah. I
washed.
forgot.
Was, yeah.
Yes. I got my clothes washed. I will get my utensils cleaned.
Hmm.
Uh, I get my house dusted. Okay, sir.
house clean.
Yeah.
I get my house dusted. I got my car cleaned.
Okay, that's all. That's all. Now, Nageshwar Rao.
Can I? Yes, I'll make a sentence. Okay. I will get my home constructed. So I will get the personal loan sanctioned.
Hmm.
I will get some material brought. I will get the plan prepared by the architect.
Hmm.
I will get my home painted. I will get a program arranged and I will invite you all.
Okay, thank you. That's very kind of
Okay,
you.
Welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Okay. And you will get
Okay.
your house furnished. You will get your house furnished. You will get your house painted. Wonderful.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's all. That's
Thank
all for GAT structure. Today we are going to discuss about be supposed to. If you have notebook, then you should write down be supposed to.
you.
Be supposed to. Okay, let me show you on your screen. Where is it? My file is.
Sir, I think we supposed to we use there where we need to follow some rules. According to the rule, you have to do that thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
You supposed to write. Don't write here. Should not write here.
Hmm.
He's supposed to come on time to this program.
Yes.
Yeah.
All
So
participants
can you see on your screen?
supposed to come on time. Yes, sir.
Can you see on your screen?
Yes,
We
yes.
can see.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is a negative sentence, but use supposed to. Suppose is different and be supposed to is different.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
First make the title. We are going to study the structure. Be supposed to. Be supposed to. Okay. That's all. Okay. Why we are learning supposed
Yes.
to? What is the function of supposed to? Means that the action is expected or necessary. Expected action, necessary action also you can say. For example, okay, KGF chapter 2 is coming, okay? So first chapter was so nice. So all people expected it is used to be super hit. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Next presentation is Rajkumar's presentation. So Rajkumar makes always nice presentation. So it is supposed to be nice presentation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You expect something from someone. Okay, he is supposed to make a nice presentation. He is supposed to make a nice presentation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It means when we confidently trust anyone, like,
Yeah, like
he will
that
do
is your
it better.
expectation. Yeah, that is your expectation. You think that, yeah, it should be like that. Yes. Perfect.
Otherwise,
So let's see
sir,
some
in-
sentence. I have made a nice presentation here. You can see a lot of sentences. I am supposed to pay her $5,000. I am supposed to pay her. She is supposed to finish her report today. So your expectation. For example, you are building a house. Okay. So they are supposed to finish their work. They are supposed to. So this is your expectation. Men are supposed to protect women. So expectation, expected action. So men are supposed to protect women. We are not supposed to enter this area. So here you can say it's not necessary for you to enter. We are not supposed to enter this area. He is not supposed to read this company email. You are not supposed to be in this cafe. I was supposed to give this key to Helena. They were not supposed to arrive until noon. I was not supposed to delete the important file. We are not supposed to cheat on the test. I am supposed to work today. I am supposed to help my parents tomorrow. I am supposed to get to Busan next week. I am supposed to visit my boss at 3. I'm not supposed to send this box to her. Okay, so expectation. Okay, you all are on this platform, online platform. 20 or 25 people are watching here. So you are not supposed to make noise. So these are expectation. I am not supposed to disturb other, and you are not supposed to disturb others. So these are expectation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, can we say that like this is one rule? For example, you supposed to write here because already some rule is coming on, and we have to follow that thing.
Yeah,
In other
so
context,
expectation,
it should
yes.
be one expectation.
Yes, that's perfect. Perfect.
Expectation as well as one rule is there. Everyone should follow that rule.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So now can you make 3 sentences by using this structure?
Yes, sir. May I?
Yeah, definitely.
May I?
Sir, may I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, good evening, sir. Today is my first day on your platform. And I am very happy.
Most welcome to our platform.
Thank you, sir. I suppose to that he built a house in a month, in a 4 months.
So I am supposed to use be also, okay. MEs are also, it's required there.
Sir, please, pardon, sir?
be is not I supposed to. I am supposed to. They are supposed to.
Actually,
M is are,
Okay.
you have to use it.
I am supposed to that I completed my course within a week.
Yeah.
He is not supposed to see in a cinema hall.
So now just focus on the expectation, you know, expected action from someone.
Okay.
Sir. Hello, sir. May I?
Yeah.
Sir, may I?
Yeah. Who
Can I
is
say
KU
something,
Gujarat
sir?
and Suraj Hyderabad be ready?
Yes, sir. We are supposed to learn new things session today.
Yeah.
Supposed to watch a movie tonight. Supposed to garden.
Yes, sir.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, definitely. Now Suraj Hyderabad and Geeta madam be ready.
May I, sir?
Yeah, definitely. We all are here to practice, but one by one.
I am also ready, sir.
Otherwise, it will be totally mess, chaos. And that is my role.
Sir.
kindly all the participants
madam.
mute your mic.
Geeta
I'm
madam.
taking the name.
Sir, he is supposed to support me.
Yeah.
I am supposed to get well. I am supposed to speak English very well. COVID is supposed to an end.
And she is supposed to invite me in her marriage. She is supposed to invite me in her marriage. Because she is my friend and she is getting married next month. So she is supposed to invite me in her marriage. So these are expected action. Got it?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yeah, now Pratik Prajapati.
Then me, sir.
Yeah, madam.
I am supposed. May I say something on this topic?
Yeah, definitely you can say.
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, I would like to say thanks to all of you for giving me opportunity to say something. Today is my first day on this platform.
Who is speaking? Who is not visible?
Hello. Who is speaking? Pratik Prajapati speaking or
No, sir. I am not speaking.
Okay,
Who
then
is
sorry.
speaking?
Yeah, now carry on.
Know the name?
Please turn on your video for better interaction.
And you should open your video. You should not hide your video while speaking.
Yes, sir. It is like a class, and we all should open video.
So while speaking, you must open your camera while speaking.
While speaking, you are supposed to open your camera.
Yeah, you are supposed to open your. This is a nice. Yeah. Okay, so you wanted to explain this one, and now you are not speaking. What happened?
Please,
I want to say something, sir. May I speak,
sir?
Can I speak?
Yeah, now you can speak. But I request you, you should or you must open your camera while speaking.
Actually, sir, my front camera is not working. My mobile was fall off the table. That's the front camera is damaged completely. That's why it's not working, sir.
Okay. So you have 1 minute to explain it, okay? Yes, you can explain.
Okay. Can I speak, sir? Okay, sir. My name is Sajin. I'm calling from UP, Jaunpur. Supposed to is used for any foundation, for any time framework. If you fix any time framework in that condition, we are used to supposed to. It's mean we have to reach the office around 8 o'clock. We can say you are supposed to reach the office at 8 o'clock. If we reach office after 8 o'clock, in that condition, my boss can say, you are supposed to reach here 8 o'clock. You are not supposed to reach here after 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So as far as I'm concerned, whatever knowledge I have about supposed to use for any foundation, for any time framework.
Yeah, wonderful. That is
Yeah,
not necessary action. Because your timing is 8 o'clock, then you must reach your office before 8. So that is a necessary or expected action from your boss.
Yes, sir. Expected as compulsory. It is compulsory upon you to reach the office.
Yeah.
Obligation you can use for the obligation.
Yes, obligation also we can use. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you are supposed to complete my work.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
If any homework is given to anyone, if tomorrow come without complete homework, in that condition, teacher can say, "You're supposed to complete my homework."
Yeah. Perfect. So thank you very much for explaining this topic in a simple way. Yeah, Ilarani.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. My 3 sentences are: we supposed to keep quiet in classroom. We supposed to learn.
Use amizar. Ilarani. Use amizar. That suppose is different.
We are supposed to keep quiet in classroom, and we are supposed to learn good English. And the third is we are supposed to mute our audio to listen, sir, in our classroom. Yeah.
May I speak, sir?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All will get chance one by one.
Prakash sir. Actually, Suresh Hyderabad sir is new and he haven't got chance anytime.
Yeah, Suresh Hyderabad. Actually, I told him, but he did not start speaking.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Suresh Hyderabad, welcome to our session. Okay.
Thank you for this one opportunity to me, sir. Actually, I want to say 2 words about by using supposed to do. Sir, one sentence is: I supposed to complete my construction activity before rainy season. That is one sentence. The second one is my brother has to support me in the purchase of land, sir.
Very nice.
My wife supposed to support me in the completion of my MTech.
Okay, that's good. Nice. So now let's go to our sentences again. Okay. Now we can see.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We can see.
I am supposed to pay her $5,000. So now can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, we can understand.
Yeah. She is supposed to finish her report today. So here is expectation, necessary action. Men are supposed to protect women. So these are also expectations, expected action. Yes. We are not supposed to enter this area. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We are not supposed to enter this area. And he is not supposed to read this company email. So not required action, not expected action. We cannot expect anybody to read all emails from other company. Yes or no?
Yes, you can say demarcation, sir.
Yeah, you are not supposed to read the messages of any person.
Yes.
Yeah. And you are not supposed to be in this cafe. So expectation, no expectation. So you are not supposed to be in this cafe. Yes or no?
I was.
Yes. Did not even though he come.
Yeah. I was supposed to give this key to Helena. I was. So he is talking about past time.
Yes. Past time.
Oh, they were supposed to help me, but they did not actually. I had expectation from those people. So they were supposed to help me in that situation. They were not supposed to arrive until noon, and I was not supposed to delete the important file. Okay, so these are supposed to. Now only suppose. Can you see only suppose?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
think that something is likely to be true. Suppose you are a prime minister of India. Okay, like that. Suppose.
Okay.
So Dan didn't answer his phone. So I suppose that he is busy. So it likely to be true. Is it clear? You think that something is likely to be true. So he might be busy. That's why he did not answer my phone. Dan didn't answer his phone. So I suppose that he is busy. He found it a lot of more difficult to get a job than he supposed it would be. Then do you suppose that Elaine will marry him? Do you suppose? Means, do you think something is likely to be true? Do you suppose that China will not attack on our country? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think, and our today's topic is this one. Our main topic is this one. Suppose to, we are talking about that the action is expected or necessary. And if you are using not, then that is called the unexpected action. Then you are not supposed to touch this button. Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now who wants to make some three sentences now? Ravindra Prayagraj, are you ready?
May I, sir?
Yeah, then Nidhi be ready. Yeah, Ravindra Prayagraj, then Nidhi be ready. Then Yogesh Mishra.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I am supposed to speak something here. Everyone is supposed to listen me. We are supposed to present this platform at 9 p.m. and we are supposed to learn here always some new things.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, Nidhi.
Hello. Children are supposed to take care of their parents, and I supposed to get good marks in my exam.
Okay.
Only 2 sentences.
Yeah, so these are also expectation. Okay.
No,
For
sir.
example, when we were child, our parents took care of us. So now this is our duty. This is our, okay, people have expectation. Our parents have expectation. So you can say you are supposed to help your or take care of your parents. You are supposed to take care of your parents. Yeah, Yogesh Mishra.
May I, sir?
Yogesh Mishra.
Just a minute.
Then Alok Jaina be ready.
Yes, sir. Okay. If
Sir,
he is your childhood friend, then so you are supposed to ask some help. And he is not supposed to go there because that is an accidental porn area. And we are supposed to speak English, but we feel some problem. That's like that. These sentences are done, sir.
Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, Alok Jaina.
May I, sir?
Yeah, Kirti Barai be ready then. Alok Jaina, then Kirti Barai.
I am supposed to wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning every day. I am supposed to read books every day. And I am supposed to do the exercise.
Okay.
So may I?
Yeah, Kirti Barai now.
Yes, sir. I am supposed to task with Prakash sir regularly. Okay. Students are supposed to read carefully their lessons. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I was supposed to teach grammar very perfectly. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Perfect. So
Sir,
now,
may I?
Yeah, who is? But I cannot find out because you are in the next page. That's why. Okay,
I
Ranjana.
am also.
Yeah.
I am also ready, sir.
Actually, there are 2 pages, so I cannot identify who's speaking now. That's why.
Can I get chance to say something?
Yeah.
Sir, tell to everybody to mute their mic. Whenever they want to talk, unmute themselves.
Yeah. So you are supposed to mute your audio. You are supposed to. These are the expected action on this online platform.
Yes, and sir will take the name, then that person supposed to speak.
Yeah, definitely. So we can maintain discipline on this platform.
Yes,
and
that would be good actually.
A well-disciplined platform this is.
Yes.
We are supposed to follow that.
So may I?
Yeah, definitely, Ruchi.
Yeah. So I supposed to come soon.
Yeah.
We are supposed to make a short trip early. He was supposed to present there.
Perfect. Very easily we can understand what you want to say. Ranjana Goswami.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, students are supposed to get promoted. I am supposed to visit my aunt's place. The plane is supposed to land at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
And I am supposed to attend tomorrow meeting. And she is supposed to go for interview. Thank you, sir.
And last, Sheila madam, then we are going to change our topic. Okay. Now, Sheila madam, then after that, we are going to change our topic.
Okay, sir. My first sentence is suppose that we will win war against China. Second sentence is if you are supposed to read a book, it will help you to understand English very well. And my third sentence is suppose that Prakash sir are presenting speech on TEDx platform.
Yeah, that's good. Wonderful.
Sir,
Okay.
I want to add something.
Yeah, Akbar Alam. Okay, Akbar Alam last then. Okay, because I have a list to explain today.
Akbar Alam,
yeah,
please unmute your mic and speak.
Yes, sir. We are supposed to, sir. You will be go one day in the TED Talks.
Okay, thank you.
And one or more example, if I am not supposed to. This lockdown can we go ahead?
Okay. No problem. Okay, so now I request all, please try to do research at home, try to do some homework at home to get something more about supposed to, because tomorrow you will get chance to make 5 sentences by using be supposed to. Okay. Suppose and be supposed to, both are different. Is it clear? So please write down in your notebook. Tomorrow you have to make 5 sentences by using be supposed to. And you will get chance to make 5 sentences tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next one is only suppose. Okay. So how can you start? When you start your sentence with suppose, then you just, assumption. Okay, assumption, can you understand? You assume something.
Yes.
You imagine something. So suppose you are in that situation. Got it? Suppose you are a teacher of this school. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose you don't have a job. Suppose you don't have a job, then got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So imagination. Okay. So this suppose is different and be supposed to is different. Both are different things. So when you do some homework at home, when you do some research, when you try to find out some sentences, then you can understand the difference between suppose and be supposed to. Okay. So now we have 5 minutes left in this session. And if you are new, then I must inform you, we always have 2 sessions. After this session, we have one more session. And in that session, we are going to also discuss some new topic. And Rahullah Hassan is also going to discuss on Indian community. So he will ask you some questions. Okay. And I have invited him at 10 o'clock. So we have enough time to complete our topics. Okay. Yesterday, we were learning vocabulary, how to describe person's character.
Yes, sir.
And I told you to describe any character. So how many of you have prepared any topic? You can start now. Anuj Delhi then. Let's start with Anuj Delhi.
Thank you, sir. Today I will describe my elder brother. When he was a child, he was a intelligent person, and he was clever also, because he knew well how to convince other person and complete his demand. And I would say he is also a cunning person, because he used his brain to
cheat others, deceive others.
Yes, definitely, sir. He is very cunning person, and
Then your brother will listen this conversation.
no, he is in other room.
Okay.
And
Online
on YouTube.
No. If he watch later, he wouldn't say anything.
Actually, Anuj, I want to say one thing. On internet, whatever the things we are uploading, it is going lifelong. Then you should be clear whatever you are saying.
I have no problem. He wouldn't say anything to me, and I would say he is also an optimistic person. He always try to achieve whatever he wants in life, and he does hard work to achieve his goals. And he's also an extroverted person. He likes to talk with the other person, and he wants to he easily make friends than me. I would say I'm a introverted person. So yes, I would say that it is true. And he, in a tense situation, he always keep himself relaxed. And he's also, as he is my elder brother, he is very sensible, and he always gives guide me. And whenever I'm in trouble and I demand, I go and ask to help from him.
Wow, wonderful. You know, he has explained all words in a nice way, like a teacher. We all can understand what he wants to tell. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, Rajkumar Jaiswal.
Big round of applause.
Yeah, Rajkumar Jaiswal, now this is your turn.
Sir, I haven't prepared actually anything.
Oh.
Then, but I would like to give other chance.
Okay. Yeah, Kalpana madam, then Papiya Saab be ready.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Modi is an intelligent and clever to make quick decisions. Mr. Bachchan is optimistic personality. His son is not as sharp as Amit ji. When she comes to the platform and first to speak, it seems she is simple and brainless, but after delivered a speech, it's changed our mind. Silly persons always make mistakes. That's it.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Now Papiya Saab.
Sir, Vishal Singh is there. He never spoke.
Okay, he will get chance in the second session. Okay, Rajkumar.
Yes.
Yeah,
Papiya Saab. No, what I want, na, everyone will get chance. It is good.
Yeah. I always take care of this. You know.
Thank you.
Yes,
thank you,
sir.
Yes,
yeah, Papiya Saab.
Yes, sir. So one of my friend was so intelligent in the school. He used to get good marks in the class. So and now he used to say us that his future will be bright because he is working hard, and he was also a clever student. So, sir, that's all.
Okay. And now we have less than 1 minute. I think we have only 30 seconds left. So we are going to see again in the second session, and we are going to learn some new vocabulary, how to describe any person's personality. Okay. So now let's have a commercial break for 4 or 5 minutes. Then let's see again in the second session.
Thank you, sir. We'll meet soon.